Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start immediately by removing 1 or 2 Dr. Charcoal pouches from their outer wrap and placing them in the cabin. Place them low, near footwells or under seats so airflow carries odor to the charcoal. Once placed, close windows and run the car's fan on low for 10-15 minutes to move air over the pouches. This step begins adsorption fast. Make sure to avoid cutting the pouch because loose charcoal reduces effectiveness and creates dust inside the car. You now activate the process by running the HVAC fan on medium for 15-30 minutes to circulate air across the charcoal surface. Once done, park the car and leave vents closed so the pouches passively absorb remaining smells. If odors persist, use a second pouch and repeat daily for up to 3 days, because adsorption is cumulative. Make sure to keep pouches out of direct sunlight and away from heaters to prevent moisture loss and you finish by monitoring efficacy. Replace Dr. Charcoal pouches every 2-3 months or when the freshening effect wanes. Once done, you can refresh pouches by placing them in sunlight for 2-3 hours monthly to desorb moisture and restore capacity. Make sure cloth remains intact. If a persistent moldy or sour smell remains, check and clean HVAC intake, cabin filter, and upholstery. Addressing the source is essential. Troubleshooting tip: if odors persist after cleaning, remove and inspect pouches for damage or moisture, and replace immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.